Hello, YouTube. So today what we're working on is this, it's a Ford Thunderbird NASCAR kit that I picked up a while ago on a garage sale. I think I paid like $3 or $4 for it. But what I want to do here is I don't have any of the decals or anything for this. I could probably take some from another model I have. I do have a few extras, but I kind of really want to turn this more into like a rally car type thing. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm not going to go with the NASCAR theme on this one. So that's out. But what I do have is this GTX. And so this is something I painted already. And what I did is I took out the firewall, I cut it along here, and watch this. It fits perfectly, almost, along on that NASCAR frame. So I did have to there was this cross member right here, and it used to be back here somewhat. I did have to move it about, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch forward, maybe less. And that was just to get it in the, get it to line up in the wheel wells right here. So, because it wasn't lining up. So I did have to do that, but honestly, that was the only modification I made besides what I did to the body. And so I am really happy with how this is turning out. I'm going to put a 426 Hemi in it. Obviously not running with the Ford motor. So I do have some extra decals, like I said, and that I think I'll be able to, will go really well with this. I've got the rest of the pieces, like the underneath here and that sort of thing. So look for a future episode of this one. This one's going to be a lot of fun. Here's kind of what it's going to look like in a sense here. I'm going to have the NASCAR wheels on here. I'm going to have it low. And then with the hood, I think that's going to look really sharp. I really like that. So I don't know what, I don't have the back wing for this, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do there yet. I may just sand this down and get rid of the little nubs here and kind of go from there, and then put a NASCAR wing on the back. Here's the exhaust for it. Yeah, so that's that. And like I said, it fits. You can see just how well it fits. I was really shocked how well this body fits on here. I have literally done nothing else besides my backdrop is falling apart here. Excuse me. I had a little earthquake, so okay, not really. But anyway, so like I said, this will be in a feature video, sorry, where I'm going to be taking this, putting the decals on, putting it all together, putting that 426 Hemi together, and just kind of getting all, this is all going to be painted down here. I'm going to get rid of a lot of this kind of detail like that. But yeah, so that's that one. I'm really looking forward to building this one. I think it's going to look really cool when it's done. And I will see you soon. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you can, if you like this video. And there'll be more to come shortly. Thank you.